So once you put all this information, you have to enter only longitude and latitude. After that, you have to click here write metadata. Okay, once you click write metadata, come back here and go to file. Don't save it, but you have to export the file. Okay, search for export. Okay, come here and click export. So probably that same you have used that file to create this geotagging. So same file is existing there. So you can go and replace that file. Okay, from here you can give export. So that file is successfully saved, and make sure that you have to change if the file name is not something different, then make sure that file name should have the keyword in it. That's also very important. I already told you. And make sure that the file has got the exact file size that I mentioned it in the previous video. Right. Yeah, so in this way you can geotag the image before posting it to Google My Business. Thank you.